Hello my good people, this is Dixon Nyabuto, One Day at a Time TV. Here with me I have a friend from Bangladesh, and the other guy with the tattoo is from Nepal. So today we want to prepare some chicken, and as you can see, he's cutting the meat, he's chopping the meat on the board and he's placing it on the other side. And you can see my other friend here is cutting the pepper.
Green chili.
Yeah, the green chili. And you can see how fast he is. And this is what he does. He's a very good guy. He's a chef also. You can see that he has already chopped some onions. As I'm showing you, there's some onions here. And from the background, you can listen and hear some good music. It's an Indian music. So don't concentrate on the music, but only look at what is happening. He has mixed the onions with the green, what? The green chili. Is the green chili?
Yeah.
Alright, that is what he has done. This is the green chili. You can see the green chili here. And we have the onions. And he's on the process also. He's also cutting the green chili. And you can see my brother here, he has gone another step. He's washing the meat. As you can see, he's washing the meat, placing it on the other side, and that meat is clean. And now they want to cook. They're ready. This is our gas. So they're ready and start to cook. So what are you going to do next, my brothers?
Now,
as you can see, he has placed, is now ready to cook. You can see what is happening. Now it's high time that he leads on the fire. Then the cooking starts. And what is this?
garlic.
This is garlic.
Yeah, garlic.
This is garlic. You want to chop the garlic?
Yes.
And this one?
Some mix. Ginger.
Oh, this is ginger.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to mix. This is garlic. I want to zoom it for you. This is garlic and this is ginger. So he has to mix them. And we want to see how he's going to do it. So you can see how he's doing. He's bringing everything, mix them in one. This how do we call this one?
This one mixing.
Oh, there's a mixer.
Yeah, mixer.
Okay. You can see what is happening. He's taking both of them, the garlic and the ginger. He's trying to mix them. So the process continues. Just keep your eyes focused, see what is happening. So the fresh green chilies, so the one that have been chopped, plus the onions. You have the garlic and the ginger. The process is on. He's mixing them. You can see that we are ready. Anytime soon now we want to cook our meat on the other side. If you can see, the meat is ready. So the process continues. He's a mudir. You know, when we say a mudir is a big man, he's a mudir, he's a chef, he's a great man. And you see that the other chef, he has now he's doing some exercise. He's a great man too. You can see from a distance he's doing some exercise. And so the process continues. I want to give him time to ponder and mix both the garlic and the ginger. That is why I'm giving time. So when you finish this, you start cooking.
No, all mix.
You mix everything.
Everything. Yeah.
You mix this.
The new style. Yeah.
You mix the onions and the green chili, the ginger and the garlic, plus the meat.
Meat.
So
oil,
you mix everything.
And oil and masala also.
Okay, so you need to boil it now.
Yeah.
Okay, so we want to see how he mixes everything together so that the process continues. You can see now he has poured in the garlic. Now he's cutting the ginger. Same thing continues again. What you need to do, just only give us your eyes, only your eyes, and see what is happening. I can hear the aroma, you can smell the aroma, it's tasting, it's nice. For the people who have a cough, maybe this is the best thing they can do. You can mix both the garlic and the ginger, and you add some warm water and you drink. It's good for boosting your immunity. The process continues, it's on. He's smashing them, smashing the ginger. And I want to see how he's going to mix all the ingredients that he has prepared. From this side, he has prepared this one, you can see. You can see there. This is the garlic that has been grounded, you see. You can see ginger from a distance. So everything is being mixed, as you can see. We have a mixture now of both garlic and ginger. Now he's taking the meat. He's mixing everything, you can see. So here everything has to be mixed. Then it has to be boiled. That is the procedure. You can see stacking the onions and the green chilies. He has mixed everything together with the chicken. So what is this?
Chili powder.
This is chili powder, and this one?
Some curry mix.
Okay, there is salt there. He's mixing everything. This is the chili powder. This is the chili powder, the one
powder.
You can see that it has a good color. And what is that?
Turmeric.
Okay. So up they're mixing everything.
Yeah.
What is that?
We're preparing some chicken here.
Paprika.
And this is the Nepali chicken.
What is it called? Chicken paprika?
No, chicken. Not paprika.
That is salt that is pouring in. You can see. So you will have to mix everything together. And this is oil. This is the sunflower oil. So he has to open it, and you can see he's pouring in the sunflower oil together with everything at the same time. And this recipe is very different from ours. You know how he's doing, how he's cooking, it's very different. Because I know that us, we need first to place the oil, then other things. You can see he's mixing everything together. Oh my.
Looks so tasty, man.
Yeah, and this is how they do it. This is chicken mixed with the onions. You have the green chili. We have the ginger and the garlic.
And pepper too.
And yeah, and pepper, and you can see that he has mixed all of these that I'm showing you right now. These are the ones that he has mixed with them. All of this. There is salt here, and there is this one. So he has mixed everything. The process is on. Is mixing everything now at the moment, as you can see. This is our green. We call it the green what?
The green pepper.
The green chili.
The green chili, yeah.
Yeah, the green chili. Yeah.
Or you can call it the green pepper.
Yeah, and I want to show you how the process is going. You can see. I know you're salivating at the moment. It's very tasty, even if it has not been cooked. It looks like it's already It's already cooked. Yeah, it's ready to be served. But this one is raw. It is raw. Now the fire is on. As you can see, I want to show you. For those who can see, you see that the fire now is on.
Back to the main dish, man.
Yeah, now the fire is on. How many minutes are we going to give it? Now this is the lid is taking, is washing the lid, as you can see, so that you can cover up everything at once. Are you going to put some water?
No water. Later.
No water.
Later. Now you can see us covered, and now
Let it simmer.
he is adjusting the fire, regulating the amount of heat, as you can see. Everything is going good. So we give it time. We give it time to boil. How many minutes?
Simmer.
For all.
For how many minutes are you going to give it so that now you can start putting water?
Almost half an hour.
Half an hour.
Half an hour.
So this is the man behind this.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. We'll be back later.
And I'll be the eater. Hey, I'll be the eater.
He's the eater.
I'll be the eater.
So this is the chicken. This is the chef, and this man is the eater.
I'm the eater.
Okay, let's see how it goes. The eater is the one now who eats.
Oh,
The one who's going now to taste and eat.
No problem. No
So
problem.
we'll come and test and see what happens.
Okay.
See you later, guys. So the process on. The process is on, as you can see. He wants to mix it. He wants to mix everything, and before he mixes, I want you to see what is happening. Now the meat is boiling. This is the chicken meat is boiling. He has not added water. So I want to see how he's mixing. You can see the color. It's a bit yellowish. Sorry for the moisture that is coming, but you can see what is happening. Now this is the meat, but we want to give it like 30 minutes time. No adding water. We'll add water later if it's necessary for it to be added. So the process is on. He's adjusting or regulating the heat. As you can see, it's burning. So we give it time and see what happens. Right, so let's wait and see what happens. All right, guys, now you can see the chicken meat is ready. It's which color is this? Yellow. He's adding some water. This is the soup now. He's adding the soup. Now it's almost ready now. So we give it time, it boils, then it's ready to be consumed.
Nice, ready.
Oh my. You can see, guys, very nice. I'm salivating here.
The chef is so serious too.
Yeah, the chef is so serious. You can see him, he's a good guy. I told you he's from Bangladesh. And the other man ran away. I don't know where he went. Maybe he went to Nepal. I don't know if he has gone to Nepal. But now this is the main chef who has been working from the start. Yeah, he's adding some salt for the soup. So we give it time to boil, then we test. Remember I told you about the tester. The tester is around here. He's going to test.
He can test now. No.
You can test now?
Okay.
Oh, so we want to see the reaction on how the food is.
Now
Mis-
it is ready?
Yeah, ready.
Ready.
Mr. Test, this is the one that is supposed to test.
No. I want to be seen in this.
Yeah, you are going to move there.
Move there so that we can
So the
take a-
the tester wants to test the. You can go and test.
Actually, I've been salivating so much.
Is the tester?
To test this food. I'll take a bite. I'll dig in, okay?
Just take a bite.
I'll dig in.
How is it?
Nice.
It's nice. Do you feel the chilies?
I feel the pepper,
The pepper is there.
the turmeric, and the chili. Wow.
Ginger.
Chili, man, chili.
Ginger is there.
Ginger is there.
Garlic is there. So you can feel it. So this is the chef.
Especially the
This
chili.
is the man. This is the chef. You can see him.
Hey bro, what you doing?
Very nice.
It's very nice.
Very nice, man.
Okay, okay. Thank you so
Very
much.
nice.
These are
Very nice.
so this is the thing now.
You made
Oh, very nice, man.
This is the thing now. It's ready.
Nepal dish?
So you can give your comments. You can give your comments. This is the Bangladesh what?
Bangladesh.
Yeah, this is the Bangladesh chicken that is being prepared here.
The name?
So we want to thank the chef. We want to thank him. Maybe we want to thank the chef. He's a good guy. Thank you so much, and thank you for making the day. Thank you so much, Mr. Tester.
Very nice.
Thank you. See you another day.
Ah.
All right.